Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Brondell Swash SE400 Bidet. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention real quick too, I found a pretty good deal on this, and I'll put a link below to that in the description, so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Okay, so Brondell, if you're not familiar with their company, they've been making bidets for quite a while. You kind of hear the big names in bidets are like Toto, but Brondell have really made them a name for themselves over the past few years because they've been making really, really good stuff at a really good price. And in my opinion, the SE400 is kind of that sweet spot in price and performance where you really don't need to spend more. But for the money, you're getting an excellent, awesome quality bidet that you'll never want more from. You'll never really need to ever upgrade, I guess you could say. So why do I think that? One, and kind of the first and most important thing, is the cleaning mechanism. How well does it clean? It's unbelievably good. On par with $700 or $800 bidets easily, and to me, that's kind of the most important thing. It's a stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle that just works very, very well. It does have a lot of features for the money in this thing. I forgot to mention too, real quick, when I was talking earlier about the deal I found on it, there is underneath the price, if you click the link below and go to that site, underneath the price there's a coupon thing. Make sure you check the box. It says save an extra if you check this box. Make sure you do that. Some people forget and then they don't get the deal. Anyway, back to the bidet. Okay, so here's what it has. It has a built-in water heater for the warm water wash. It has a built-in air dryer, which works really good too, by the way. Stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle, a heated seat, it has night light, and it has a very comfortable seat as well. Usually you don't get all those features on a bidet for this price. Usually you have to spend, $450, $500 easily if you get into the kind of the Toto models that'll have all this. That's what I mean. It's such a good deal, and they don't skimp on anything either. It's really well made. It's very easy to use. Now, there is no remote control for this. Personally, I don't see the point of remote control. I mean, are you operating it in the other room or something like that? I don't think so. It has all the controls right on the side of the bidet itself. They're easy to access, easy to locate, and all the settings are on there. It has a nice modern look to it too. The nightlight feature, believe it or not, is pretty nice. It kind of has this blue glow. When you open the seat up, you can see clearly. But it's really handy at night. They do make an elongated and a round version of it. If you are using it on a round toilet, I highly recommend upgrading your toilet to an elongated bowl and getting the elongated version. Not because it's any better or anything like that, but I mean, well, it is better. The bidet itself isn't any better. It's the same thing, but it's just so much nicer to sit down on an elongated bowl toilet seat. So you may want to consider that as well. But anyway, that's beside the point of this video. Anyway, like I said, Swash SE400, highly recommended. For the money, there's nothing better out there, in my opinion. And also, I should mention too, I'm not this isn't a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid by Brondell. This is just purely my own 2 cents in my opinion. Anyway, yeah, if you have any more questions on this, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.